What is your name?
My name is Kitty.
Kitty, how old are you?
I'm 7 years
Okay, let's
old.
proceed for this one, Kitty. All right, so now look at Lily, Tom, Billy, and Tim. How does Lily feel?
I'm
She
happy.
is
She is happy.
very good. How does Tom feel? He is
She is sad.
he is sad. Is Billy hungry?
Yes.
Yes. Is Tim great? Yes or no?
No.
All right, so now, how do you feel right now? Or how are you?
Happy.
I'm happy. All right, so let's proceed for this one. There are many shapes. Where is the circle? Circle. Okay, good
Circle.
job. How many circles do you see? How many circles? One or two?
2 circles.
Okay, so now what shape is it?
Is a square.
Okay, find me the yellow square, Kitty. Good job. Now, what shape is it?
Is a triangle.
Are there three triangles? Yes or no?
No.
No. Okay, is it a purple rectangle? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. All right, let's proceed for this one. What letter is this? Letter
and
sound?
no.
Okay, so now kindly point out, Kitty, where is your nose? Your nose. Okay,
No.
good job. Now, find me one word that it starts with letter O.
Orange.
Orange. Wow. So what is this?
Nut.
Okay, my dear. The orange starts with letter C or letter O.
O.
Okay, so that's all for today, Kitty. Goodbye and thank you.